Django plus Caddy equals CSRF protection issues. I deployed a Django 4 app with Daphne, ASCII, in a Docker container. I use Caddy as a reverse proxy in front. It works, except I can't fill in any form because the CSRF protection kicks in. So no admin login, for example. I can currently access the admin interface in two ways. Directly through Docker, via a SSH tunnel port. Through Caddy, which is then forwarding to the Docker container. Option 1 works. I can log into the admin interface just as if I was running the development server locally. All is working as expected. However, option 2, Caddy reverse proxy, doesn't work. I can access Django and load pages, but any form submission will be blocked because the CSRF protection kicks in. My Caddy file contains this. Localhost 8088 is the port exposed by my Docker container. In an effort to eliminate potential issues, I've set the following to false in my config file. secure_SSL_redirect, causes a redirect loop, probably related to the reverse proxying, session_cookie_secure, I'd rather have it set to true, but I don't know at this point, CSRF_cookie_secure, same remark. The only Django Caddy examples I could find online are outdated and refer to older versions of Caddy and/or Django. Django is deployed on ASCII with Daphne. I've seen posts suggesting to change CSRF_trusted_origins, but it doesn't seem right that I would have to add a host that is already in the allowed_host list. That also wouldn't explain why it works directly on the Docker container, unless localhost is a special case for CSRF.
Finally found out what was happening. I first wanted to know the exact HTTP request that was sent from Caddy to Django. This confirmed that the origin and referrer headers were set properly, the CS token cookie was sent properly. Once that was known, I could dig in the code from Django. Specifically, this function in the CSRF middleware. In conclusion, Caddy forwards the HTTP request to Django unencrypted, so HTTP non-S between Caddy and Django. Django considers that request non-secure. The CSRF protection expects the origin header sent by the browser to be http:// because the request is not secure. In my case, it is https:// because my browser is talking to Caddy over HTTPS. Because the origin header does not match what the CSRF middleware expects, the request is rejected. It's actually a simple fix. Since we know that Caddy will always ignore X-forwarded proto from the browser and sets it itself, we can add secure_proxy_SSL_header to the settings.py in Django. And voila! Now I can also set these to true. secure_SSL_redirect. Session_cookie_secure. CSRF_cookie_secure. Edit. Here's the Caddy file, as per requested.
If you want to see me, the source of this archiving.